Now coming, despite being battered multiple times, Pakistan seems to be far from over on, giving up its intentions to destabilize India, as the terror industry is not only sustaining but thriving within the territory. And in a fresh update, what we are learning and this video that you are seeing, the notorious terror organization, which is the Lashkar-e-Taiba, is reportedly teaching its cadre of one of India's most wanted terrorists entering a swimming pool, and this exactly shows the extent of which अंकित जहां तक जाएंगे, मतलब इन्फिल्ट्रेट करने के लिए, आतंक फैलाने के लिए कितनी उनको ट्रेनिंग की आखिरकार यहां पर गुजरना पड़ता है। इस तरह की वीडियोस अभी सामने आ रही है एलईटी कैंप से।
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं आप। ये टाइम्स नाउ पे एक्सक्लूसिव विजुअल्स है जो साफ तौर पे लश्कर-ए-तैयबा और पाकिस्तानी आर्मी आईएसआई को एक्सपोज कर रही है। 3 तरीके की ट्रेनिंग जो है लश्कर इस वक्त आतंकियों को दे रहा है। एक है पानी की ट्रेनिंग, दूसरी है जंगल वॉरफेयर में मार्शल आर्ट्स की ट्रेनिंग, और तीसरी ट्रेनिंग जो कि अहम है वो है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की, जो कि महिला विंग आतंकियों को लश्कर दे रहा है। ये साफ तौर पे दिखाता है कि पाकिस्तानी सॉइल पे ना सिर्फ आतंकी पनपते हैं बल्कि इनको ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है। इनका पूरा जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड जम्मू कश्मीर में ऑपरेट होता है।
जी, I'm told that Major Samartur is also connected with us here on the broadcast. Ankit बने रहिए हमारे साथ। Sir, good morning. What is your understanding? Because till now we have seen videos purportedly that come of military training that is given to the terrorists there who are attempting to infiltrate. But martial arts, swimming lessons, artificial intelligence, what are we now looking at?
This is basically, it's not that they were not giving this training earlier. They used to have 2 rounds of training. That was Daura-e-Aam and Daura-e-Khas in POJK itself. And let me tell you, Rawalakot was the epicenter where they all used to congregate. And then there they used to actually segregate them in terms of normal training and advanced training. And from there on, they were sent ahead to the launch pads, which we destroyed in Op Sindoor. Now the scenario is that they are now progressing into the waterborne operations. Now let us not forget that Hamas delegation had visited them in the first week of January in 2025.
Right.
That is few months before the Pahalgam attack. So if we correlate, if we see, it was the Hamas water wing also which tried to carry out an attack against the Israelis. So keeping all this in mind, their training module, their strategy, how they selected the Pahalgam killing field is similar to the Music Fest ground of Israel. So the template is of Hamas.
Absolutely, sir, because it will prove to be a bigger challenge that when you are looking at the kind of training that has now been given to these terrorists there, from martial arts to AI to even swimming lessons, as far as infiltration in international waters is something that is reportedly being taught and being trained, giving in training to these terrorists. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate you joining us here on the broadcast. To you, Ankit, as well. बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. This is an exclusive video that we have put out for our viewers to see. In the meantime, we head into a very short break.